So it's the beginning of the semester, and some people are having some problems finding some of the work. So I'm going to show you how to find the work in my IT lab. You're not going to have as many links on the left-hand side here as I do because you're students, but the one that you're going to want to pay attention to is course materials. So click on that, and that'll bring up the units that we're going to be working on. So we're going to have the first one we're going to be on, we're on week 2 here, so chapters 1 and 2, unit 1. So go ahead and click on that. And when you click on that, you're going to see it's broken down into the 2 chapters, chapter 1 and chapter 2. For chapter 1, if you haven't done it already, click on it. You're going to see student resources and homework activities. Click on homework activities. And in this, you're going to see that you got a couple things that you got to do. You got to complete the end of chapter quiz, and then you also have to complete these check your understanding quizzes. So just complete both of those. They're very easy. You have 3 attempts to do them. You should have no problems getting hundreds on each of those. All right, and then there's the sound bite that you're going to ask, questions to ask before you buy a computer. That's the other one that you have to complete. All right, and then you're going to have to watch this, and then there's going to be a little quiz that you have to take there. So when you're done with chapter 1, you're going to skip over to chapter 2. And it's pretty much the same thing, with the exception of I do believe there are things called active help desks starting in chapter 2. So we'll take a look in chapter 2. Homework activities. Here are the things that you got to do. Here's the active help desk that you're going to have to complete. I can't remember if there's any sound bites, but it's the same thing as you would for the other chapter. Complete the understanding quizzes, end of chapter quizzes, the help desk, and I believe there's the sound bites. I may be missing a couple things in here, so I'm going to double check, but that's basically how you're going to, and I'll let you know if there's something that I'm missing here because it's a new book and I'm not sure if I've got everything in place so far. But that's the basic stuff that you're going to have to complete. Email me if you have any questions.